Hello, hi, I am Rotonda Blessing Mujeda, and today we'll be unboxing guess what, LED disco lights. Yeah. Barely I'm using one hand. Look at this. Oh my god. Look at this. Look at this. It has got buttons on the back for menu, the up, the down, the enter when you're changing the colors, the movement of the discos. We have got the line in and line out. Oh man, this is beautiful. Let's just plug it and see how is it gonna work. Yo, Jesus, we're gonna party here. So I'm plugging here. Look at this, my God! Can you see this? OMG, this is nice. Alright, now let's check on the back. We have got menu up, menu down. Now, for up, let's change the up. Okay, when we change, you check the numbers here. Yeah, it's changing. Check, 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 check. Wow, this is beautiful. Let's change it to now you check, see the colors that are appearing in the way it's rotating. Change again. Look at this. Oh god, this is nice. Changing. Now it's paused on red. Okay. Wow. Okay, paused on blue and green. Let's change it. Okay. Okay, I see. I see you. We're gonna have some nightclubs in here. Oh god. We're gonna party. We're gonna party. Oh snap. This is let's change it. Oh god. Look at this. Yo. So all these colors we change them here. So also the speed it's changed here at the back. Oh yeah. Okay. All right. Yo. Yeah, imagine I was unboxing it in the night. We would be. Whew. Can I try this? Can I try this? Point it on my face and see how it's gonna be like. Oh my god, look at this, man. This light is dope, yo. Really, really, really dope.